The Honda Ridgeline 2026 has a fresher and more muscular aesthetic while maintaining the unibody DNA. Expect a bolder front fascia with a revamped hexagonal grille, flanked by sleeker multi-element LED headlamps. Honda introduces subtle light, bars that connect the headlamps, enhancing modernity. The profile remains sleek but gains sharper character lines and chiseled wheel arches, giving it a tougher stance. Updates to the rear include C-shaped LED taillights and a redesigned tailgate with embossed Ridgeline branding. Standard adaptive LED headlamps with auto-leveling and dynamic turn signals. Bed-mounted LED lights and cargo area lights enhance out utility. Active grille shutters and underbody panels reduce drag, improving fuel efficiency. Very important if a hybrid variant is present. Rumor has it, there is a hybrid powertrain option, which is hinted at by the closed grille variant. Solar. Panels on the roof for additional power are still speculative, but in line with Honda's eco-friendly goals. Choose from 18 to 20 alloy wheels, including a rugged off-road design with all-terrain tires. The optional adventure package adds black accents, skid plates, and increased ground clearance for light off-roading. Built with high-strength steel and aluminum, Ridgeline maintains durability while optimizing weight. New eco-friendly paint options debut, including a choice of matte finishes and vibrant colors such as Desert Bronze Metallic. An anti-chip coating and corrosion-resistant underbody components ensure longevity. Advanced driver assistance. Sensors are discreetly integrated into the grille and mirrors. The heated folding rearview mirror with integrated blind spot indicator enhances safety. Acoustic glass reduces cabin noise. The dual action, swing down, drop down tailgate returns, now optional with power operation. Enhanced tie downs and retractable. Tailgate cover, add convenience. Technology integration standard. 360-degree camera system, front rear parking sensors, and new trailer assist technology embedded in the tailgate. The Ridgeline's interior adopts Honda's latest minimalist design language, featuring a clean, horizontal dashboard with a focus on ergonomics. A new 12.3-inch floating touchscreen dominates the center, paired with a reconfigurable 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster. Seating the upgraded ergonomic seats with optional perforated leather, ventilated heated on higher trims, offer superb support for long journeys. Rear legroom remains class-leading, and the 60-40 split bench now comes with backrest functionality. Ambient lighting, multicolored on top trims, acoustic windshield and enhanced sound insulation create a tranquil cabin environment. The panoramic moonroof is newly available. Waterproof seats, standard on adventure trim, and rubber floor mats cater to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts. Fit and finish rivals premium SUVs with tight panel gaps and muffled switchgear.